Hi guys, it's time to reveal the Manila Marathon loot bag and freebies. So, for today, ito yung nakuha ko. Of course, yung 21K medal. And ang galing kasi may pa-engrave si Sports Central. So, kita nyo yung name ko or initials. Tapos, Rizal Monument, nakakatuwa. Then, also we have the towel. So, Manila Marathon Finisher Galaxy 2026. Ganda. Simple lang. And also yung singlet na nubad ko na. Actually, maganda siya kasi very absorbent. And ito lang. Actually, it has very few freebies. Hindi lang ako pumila kasi napagod ako sa 21K, guys. So, ito. Leslie's Clover Chips. Of course, Quaker Oats. And I think this is Genuel True Beauty. Empress Conditioner. Water. Tapos, Nova. Birch Tree. Naging regular na rin to Oh, Himalayan. Vajomba. Mint Candy. Kasi nagdala ako ng salts before. So, mamalit yan. And of course, Angel's Burger hotdog. Ito-toast ko na lang yan. And, ayan. So, Milko Underarm and Foot Sample. Chewy Choco. And Jim's Coffee. And also, Newzep Forte. So, by the way, ang ganda ng finisher shirt. Yun lang. So, nag-change nga yung design ng loot bag. Pero remember, nilagay ni Ran Rio, design subject to change. So, yun. So, yun lang. Happy Manila Marathon, guys. Good luck and congrats to everyone.